I am shooting the BB Daisy starter rifle at the alien that's absolutely destroyed. So, die for the alien. Yeah. Yeah.
We're rolling. What are we doing?
Shooting Daisy starter rifle at rocket launcher thing.
The metal target?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not Fred.
It's above Fred's head.
Yeah. It's Fred's.
You gotta get a
brain.
BB in there.
It's Fred's brain.
Fred's brain?
Yeah. Fred's
What is
brain.
it? Metal tin?
Melt him. No, Jim Bob.
I don't think there was one in there either. Ooh, I heard it just miss.
Where is it?
Should we get a close up
Yeah.
of the target?
Yeah.
Don't shoot the camera
I
now.
won't. Don't shoot camera.
Oh, just missed.
Right.
That's the
Oh
whole
yeah,
point.
you know what I should do?
What?
Ask Braden and Ryder if they are able to be over for Christmas or have time for Christmas.
No. There's a slug.
Can I shoot it?
I mean, you can try. I'd stay right up here.
I think you would probably want to move because I don't want to like back off. I gotta want it to bounce off. Just in
Well, I'll stand by you.
Okay. That's a good idea.
It's a small target, so
Okay. Fuck.
can't be scared like that.
It shattered on the.
If you think it's a bad idea, just don't do it, okay?
Me too. I think it actually
Alright.
is a bad idea.
Well,
Let's not do it.
shoot something else.
I think I'm done.
See if you can shoot the light pole.
Rifle? What?
Right there. You see the light pole? Yeah, you gotta be careful for cars. You hit that. The burn barrel every time. You can try that. That's the easy one.
Yeah, that's a very good one.
There's Ryder's dad, it looks like, isn't it?
Thanks, man. I'm gonna send you all.
So watch out.
Bye, tree. I hit the tree.
Mm-hmm.
Bye, bye, tree. Okay, I think I'm.
Can we tell which one of these is your? You got a couple of BB holes in there.
Where?
There's one right there at the top of the D.
Right here?
No, right here on the D.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's a circle. That's what you can tough. Right here in his mouth.
Yeah.
Couple
Yeah, I
times.
can see one of the BBs. I
What?
can see two BBs. And a BB.
Yep.
Two of them, actually.
Reusable.
Reusable?
Yeah, you can pick them up and use them again if you want.
I don't know. Alright, shoot this one. Then I'm good. That's good. Sorry, Dad.
What?
I accidentally pointed at you for a second with safety on. Stop pointing at people.